In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Chase mobile app on your Android phone. The first thing you want to do is make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, either works fine. Now, launch open the Google Play Store app on your device. Find the option of search, tap on that. Now you simply want to type in Chase banking app or Chase mobile and search for it. Now make sure that you have found the correct app. It should say Chase mobile, select that. Now you want to tap on the install option. Then wait for a few seconds while it downloads and installs. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. When it's done, you will see an open button. You can either tap open right here to open the app or exit out of the Play Store app, swipe up your apps and find the Chase app in the app list. Once the app opens, accept any permissions if prompted and then you can simply sign into your account. In this way, you can easily install the Chase mobile app on your Android device. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.